Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. From here scroll down, then go to software information, and here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer options, you have to tap 7 times on build number. Now just do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then type your current pattern, then type your current pin, and it's done. Now if you go back, now at the bottom you can see in my phone developer mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable developer options, go to settings app and then scroll all the from here scroll all the way down, then go to developer options, then go to developer options. Now just tap here to disable developer options, and it's done. And that is how you can disable developer and that is how you can enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.